This story is about my transformation from an introvert to a kind of a leader. Previously, I told you how enormously you helped me build my self-confidence as an artist. But what did I do with that new self-confidence? At that time, I had just immigrated for the second time. I lost many connections and had to rebuild my network from scratch. Having already experienced the unpleasantness of my first immigration and the feeling of loneliness, this time I didn't wait long and started my own online drawing club just after managing paperwork and finding a place to live in the new country. I created a space for regular art inspiration where amazing people from all over the world can let their creativity flow and explore vibrant colors and ideas. This art community gently supports and inspires each other. For over 2 years now, every Monday I've been filming an inspiring video assignment for my drawing club community. So I had already been drawing and posting one artwork a day for more than a year and a half, and now I've been creating one drawing video a week for more than 2 years. It looks like I can be pretty consistent in things I like. Actually, creating art regularly has helped me a lot, and some other little habits have even saved my health. I'll share the story of the benefits of little steps in the next episode. Stay tuned.